Ayan, babe. First of all, happy birthday and I love you so much. Kahit ano naman ang mangyari, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. So, etong birthday gift ko sa iyo, ang cake, chocolate cake. Yan ang
Anong
design.
sabi sa chocolate cake? Happy birthday and I love you!
Oh, yan. Happy 35th birthday. Ay,
Thank you.
35th birthday.
Thank you so much, babe.
Ayun, say blow the... Wait lang, wait.
Oh.
I'm gonna sing.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I'm gonna blow the candle na, ha?
Okay. What is your wish?
My wish is granted.
Okay, alright. Okay, slice na natin.